Summon. Click summon followers. Rally.
Doc, pa-auto ng ano mo. Rise my love.
Just in case lang mabasag agad natin yung top. Pag lumabas yung dope, banatan agad natin. Double pala, dope tuloy.
Sige.
Twenty man, we have tower first, okay? We have mid tower first.
Okay.
But if meron nag-bottom lane, ang situation may nag-bottom lane.
Kami ang
Kayo,
pupunta.
kayo magpupunta sa bottom lane tapos kami magpo-proceed sa mid lane.
Okay.
Oo. Para tatapatan natin yung diversion nila.
Angas ng bot O na. Lupit Ang daming absent. 21 dun sa registered.
Iyan natin yan.
Yeah, okay.
Principal
Don't
sa office
underestimate
na.
the enemy, guys.
10 seconds.
Sharon, come with us. Consi, don't go bottom. Come here, middle.
Vermid.
Baka
Consi.
magpo-portal lang sila dyan, pre. Baka magpo-portal lang,
Ah.
tapos mag-mid sila. Naka-authoritative badge pala.
Tashis is not listening. Why are you with me? Tashis.
May mga kumakalat sa party ko, ha.
Okay, there's someone in the bottom.
Tayo.
Yo, may party. Come. 20 man. Here. In the bottom lane.
Push tayo. Doc, paalala, papasok ako.
Where? Party, bottom lane. Let's step.
Yung mga tank pumorward dito sa likod ng Tore. Yung mga
Clear
tank
the
dito
backline
kayo.
first. Clear the backline first. Backline.
Tank, pumorward kayo, tank.
Okay. Then, come. Let's clear the knights here. Our tower. Okay. Let's break tower here. AOE is on tower. Okay, guys. AOE is on tower.
Second tower kami, second tower. Straight na to.
Yeah. Ritban, come with me. Follow me, Ritban.
Baka yung aircon nila.
Dikit ka sa akin, Ritban. Dito ako. Ito. Katabi kita.
Straight na to.
Yeah, you go straight.
Ano tayo? Pass tayo. Yung mga tank ko, dito na kayo pumesto sa likod, oh. Hindi naman umatake yung Tore na to, eh, oh. Dito, abante pa kayo dito. Saman ko kayo, ha. Ayaw nyo magsipaglapit, eh. Lahat dito na, oh, sa likod, oh.
Okay. Break tower, guys. Break tower. Don't overextend. What's that? Don't overextend. Break tower.
Pwede na rektahin yung ice cream.
Biel.
Pwede na
Yes,
rektahin to.
Isil, why are you here, Isil?
I still follow your lead.
Follow your lead. Don't go
Follow
with
Sir
us.
Rekta na yung ice cream.
May next pa after nito na.
Doc, reso ah.
Direkta niya na dyan.
Oo. Kakalampagin ko to nasa third tower sa reso.
Sige, ito.
Sige,
Nandito
nandito ako sa loob ako. Nandito ako sa loob.
Go directly inside, guys. Guys, inside,
Oo,
inside.
pasok kayo,
21.
pasok kayo.
Come.
Pasok
Inside,
kayo.
inside, inside.
Pasok kayo.
Inside. Yo, everyone, inside. Inside the base. Come here. Bullet. Come here. Inside the base. Come.
Oh, ito, frozen na.
Yeah. Break the ancient.
You wanna build a snowman?
Fonzie, stand up.
Come on,
Where's Fonzie?
come and play.
He's not. He's not
He died
ready.
outside.
See
He's scared to
you
go in.
anymore.
Reso mo. Ito.
Yan, ayun na, ako na.
Third tower tayo, bottom. Nag-shield yung ice cream.
Where's
Nag-repaired.
Archbishop?
Oh, tapos ice cream tayo.
Yo. Kill the ice cream. Don't hit people. Rigs. Don't hit people. Control yourself. Hit the ice cream. Let's finish it.
Papapuntos pa eh.
So we have more preparation time to the next fight. Okay?
Hindi, huwag niyong pansinin yan. Buhay na buhay tayo dito.
Think amazing love. I wish someone had told me I'd be doing this by myself. There's reasons that I'm thankful. There's a lot I'm grateful for.
Ano klaseng kon si Monk?
Yeah.
Yeah. Once you smoke.
Monk doesn't have heal, right?
Eh,
No.
word chat niyo si Archbishop. Di ba, guild niya to?
Guys, after the end of the game, say GG Archbishop. GG Archbishop.
Okay, nice guys.
Nice, GG. We still have enough time
Yeah,
to
one more.
prepare
Okay. Nobody leave.
one battle. No one leaves the battle, please.
Uy, ako yung MVP.
Nice. May paganto no. Asawa ni QQ, most skills, most assist.
Dati
Ay,
na.
paganto na.
Dati na yun ah.
Hindi ko nakikita to dati. Say GG Archbishop.
Building damage. Okay, asawa ni QQ. Nice.
Sayang. Hindi. I cannot use ultimate skill yet. Yeah. So unfortunate. You understand
No one
me
leaves the
English?
party. No one leaves the party, guys. No one leaves the party.
You understand me English?
Sort of player.
How many times do we have until the next fight? 30?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay. Lolo lang ako.
Uy, sama ko.
Yeah.
Ay, goals!
Guys, naka-live tayo sa ano sa
Romance, banding ah.
True. Anyone know why we keep getting missed on sub? What do you mean? What do you mean like you keep on getting missed?
Sino
Oh.
maglololo?
What do you mean?
Ay, baka nag-shield sila.
Guess we never fought Dimension yet, right?
We did.
We didn't.
We did.
We
Let me just
did
check the
not.
records. I'll be checking the records just to be sure. Because we can because we can
Yeah.
definitely check that. Guild event, guild league. Let me just dimension.
Yeah.
Dimension. Ah yeah, we haven't fought them yet. Oh, Gen Z, okay. Ano? Ah, okay. The record is incomplete na. Because we only see Gen Z and Wolves. We
Okay.
haven't,
Yeah,
yeah.
but right now we didn't even fought them. So I need you to be on top, Kendra.
Uh,
No,
I
Gen
want
Z
to be
won.
in the bottom.
Gen Z won. So we're up against Gen
Okay.
Z.
Then say again.
Let's get it. Bagang.
Yep.
Bagang.
Agang. So same strategy, guys. Okay. Same strategy. I think we have better chances than our previous fight with them. So we already beat them 2 times. Okay, but
Don't lose
let's
this
not
time.
underestimate them. Okay,
Yeah.
because they are good. Like every time we fight, like it's every time it's like on
Bad guy.
Yeah.
walking on thin ice.
Uh,
So
you'll be in charge of clicking the
Buff.
guild buffs.
Okay. Just let me know when,
Yeah, yeah.
where, and
220 pa.
what.
How?
Can I
Yo,
ano?
buy food and scroll again, guys. Buy food and scrolls in the league shop. 20 man.
Can I ask for a favor po?
My God.
Yes.
Let
I
let
say
QQQ command.
In
buy
QQ, we
buy only
try.
the three. Buy only the three, guys. Okay, do not buy the return scroll. So sprint, guard, and damage.
I bought everything earlier because you said it late. But it's okay.
Yeah, but you should use it later before starting. Okay, Devon, your assignments, Remember your assignments again. Ritban, you debo me. Raijin, you debo Hera. Gabi, you debo Ismina. Then Lagat, you debo Shunzo.
Hey, boss.
Bradley Ngani. It's 11.
We are the Los Herreros.
Vamos, muchachos con huevos. Mas makapogi pag Spanish.
Vamos muchachos con nuevos. What does it mean? It is
It says,
translates
come on,
to
lad, shoot some
come on
guts.
dad, show some guts.
Guts. Vamos, vamos.
Do you wanna see my guts? Do you wanna see
Muchas
inside of
gracias,
me?
hechas. Muchas gracias, hechas. Siniguelas.
De puta.
Hombre,
Muchas.
loco, wala na. Polo, loco. Ponga huevo o ponga huevo, ponga huevo sin necesara. Questas noches que la questas es noches tenemos que ganar.
Many fats
Noches
made
que se
siniguelas chinelas.
Espelita soy. Marimar. Ow! Espelita soy. May
the
aw
Kupal,
pa
no?
ang puta.
the ages shows.
Kupal.
Do you guys still remember Marina, the dugong?
Marina. Claudine Barreta, right?
Yeah. No, I believe it's Angel Oxine.
No. Wait, ano? Multiverse.
Multiverse. That's how I remember it. It was Angel Oxine.
Ano to? Ano yung sinabi ni Belso.
Hindi rin.
Mirabel.
Mirabel!
Monster
Isabel,
stops being so.
boyfriends here, time for
After nito, wala nang edad na.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
So, ano na lang, bonding na lang. Kung may mga magpapabuhat, mga ganun.
Late night bubble party.
Ay, pwede tayo manood dito sa laban nila.
Pwede.
Bawal.
Ay, hindi.
Pwede ba?
Dito nga.
Weekend.
Papaluin ko na kaya
laban
ito.
nila, no?
Paano mag-downgrade?
Magda-downgrade yan. Siyempre.
Finising
Ano
na
na yung Uy, hindi na ano. Mag-downgrade. Kaso
Yan.
pay lahat.
Oo.
Attendance check. Let's see the attendance on the first fight. Let me see the record. Okay. Wow. OBB participants 60. Amazing. On main, then on sub, we have 52. Grabe.
Dapat dinistribute natin yung mga Lord Knight para lahat may makaka-benefit ng buff nila. Sayang din yung buff nila.
Amazing, amazing. Guys, perfect attendance.
Astanax.
Very good.
Sabi
very
sa'yo mag-iip ka eh. Maganda mag-iip dito eh. Magandang gameplay natin. 20 man.
What's EF? Emergency fund.
Guillotine piece.
Okay.
Asura.
Sige, Paps. Mag-iip tayo.
Di ba maganda, di ba? Kasi tayo eh, parang hindi naman tayo tumatapat sa main zerg eh.
Sige.
Getting older.
Pagka kaya mo makita yung parian mo ah. Parian mo yung kalaban. Para mabilis ma-wipe. Pagkabot mo.
Kaya si Misha nagre-request ng deep contis daw yung nasa hospital daw.
Sino? Misha? Oo. Tagal na sa atin ni Misha eh.
Request daw muna siya ng leave.
For how many days naman?
Kaya may kakasapin ka mamaya.
Tulong mamaya sa rain.
Pilot muna.
So, pagka ganyan pwede
Halloween.
Halloween.
Sino yun?
Ti.
Sino yun?
Magti ka gantong oras. Are you crazy?
Sino yung nagpa-ayati?
Si Onyx yan.
Si Onyx Sim. Ayaw mo nawala kasi sa mulyan. Yan.
Si Okiro, hindi ka nakikita.
Andito.
Nandiyan ba?
Andito.
Iba na may-ari nito.
Ay, ba na?
No, okay ro? Iba na ba yan?
Kaya
No, okay
nagpalit
ro?
ng nila.
Sayang naman.
Hindi, nandito yung okay ro. Natututukan ko.
Ayun, no?
Si Yoko.
Okra yan eh.
Tangin ng Onyx Sim. Diablo.
Magkakaroon kayo na yan. Magkaka-developan kayong dalawa niyan.
Gusto tatain na ako.
Dabi pre.
Oy,
Si Dalisay yata yan eh. Si Dalisay.
O na. Nagpaparamdam na naman. Oh.
Hindi na po utang.
Hindi, tatay daw.
Sarap.
Pwede mo
Ayun,
yung dibdib.
sana.
Pwede mo yung dibdib.
Hindi, pero Kendra, kamusta naman? Kamusta naman yung nyo? Situation nyo
Yan.
ni sino pa ba? Special someone mo?
Sino?
Nisi.
Yok.
Aray mo.
Hindi na
I
yan.
love it.
I love it.
I love it.
I already
Sinimulan ko
blocked him.
wala.
Like, I already
Ikaw
blocked him
nagsimula
and
niyan
everything.
Ay, hindi
Hey,
ako.
hey, stop.
Stop.
They're in the middle, baby.
Stop or
Stop.
Charles will be in
May
trouble.
damay civilian na naman yan.
Did you guys know that I submitted a separation request earlier?
Ah.
Tutuloy niya.
Nakapet yung mga boss.
Did you
Basta ako,
know?
makawat ako
Basta ako din, ako nagtatanong lang ako. Curious lang talaga.
Di ba nakapet nun, boss?
Ha?
3 days straight.
Nabembang?
Bukas ulit.
Baka liquid mo yung titi
Oo.
mo. Liquid na siya.
Araw-araw maghapon. Grabe na. Bukas ulit.
Sana all.
Dadating asawa ko.
Pero talaga may pag-share dito, no? Kaya kita.
Niinggit mo si Kendra.
Baga paldo.
Kaya kita. May pag-inggit.
Iba rin to si Brad.
Oy, Gab. Oy, guys, ano gamit kayo nung authoritative badge?
A-badge na lang.
Gumagana naman siya yung pag yung magre-responde kayo. Ganun. Pero yung pag nasa combat, syempre hindi. Para mabilis tumakbo.
Time bop ko ah.
55 let's replenish food, okay? Please food. Because we don't know, this might be a long fight again.
Ba't ako damay dyan? Sinabawang giti.
Diba ang kiti?
Ako'y damay dyan.
Namakla kasi ako. Ako
Gagano
yung
siya.
pinagtantanga ba?
Okay.
Ang
Alam,
pangalan pala.
Sabi ni Jawi, guys, namakla kasi ako yung pinitan. Tama ba yun? Anong bibilisan ko?
yung mga ano guys, mga
Ngiti daw,
physical,
Okay.
mga physical ano natin. Aware ba kayo dun sa berserker fish oil? Opo, nakikita namin yan. Pero kung hindi niyo nakikita, nasa trading lang yan. Under
What happened to other bro?
plus 50%, plus 50 attack po yan.
Ano yan, Kati? Someone get me.
Tsaka yung halo-halo. Use din kayo halo-halo.
Oy, guys.
Owen,
The
Onyx, ay sorry. Onyx Sim,
the
stop.
wet joke, ha? The ass joke. Guys. Be sensitive. Love you, Gab-Gab. Suntukan mo yung mga putang ina yan.
Yeah, guys.
Uy, wag. Naka-surround sound ako. Masakit sa tenga.
Isa pa.
Yo guys, food up everybody.
Put up.
Replenish food.
Si Mika pala
Go.
yung
5
noodles.
minutes na lang.
Sinika. Palit-palit na siya ng
Eh,
pangalan.
Let's talk about her later.
Ay, pad.
Ay, sino nanalo? Ayan, kulang natin.
Ang kalaban
The scroll.
pala natin si
Guys,
ano.
use the scroll. Okay? The scroll. Except the return scroll, okay? So, scroll.
Talagang pinagpapantay lagi yung Moonlight tsaka World 11, no?
Okay. Scroll.
Ang unfortunate naman ng Wolves PH.
Guys, later, for those who will be
Uy,
asking
gago.
for your
Sorry.
time echoes, stay on Discord. Because we cannot run TE without you being on Discord. So you need to be on Discord, okay? Okie dokie.
Yes po.
Wala na naman si Bullet sa Discord ah.
Okay lang yun.
Feel ko to talaga yung problema niyo eh. Nawawala si Bullet. For those eternal Dawn peeps, I think this is one of your biggest struggles.
Pwede pa mag-leak.
Is he doing
Ako sa
command
ano.
with Eternal Dawn before? Like voice commands.
Si Kendra.
Yep. What?
Kendra.
Ah,
Pwede mag-leave sa Discord.
ba't ka
Para
mag-leave?
na lang. Sobrang lag.
Sige, sige,
Naka
sige.
cellphone lang ako.
Sige. Ayan na
Lobat
natin,
ang laptop.
Kendra. Ano kasi baka mamaya sumabog yung kamay.
Ano na lang ako.
Sumabog yung kamay.
Sige.
Papalo na lang ako sa ano.
Just make
Kita
sure
kita.
na ano,
Hindi
alam
sana.
alam mo yung
Hindi na lang.
objective ng team nyo, ha?
Sige. Lang pa
Sige.
yan.
Sige.
Tagal na natin dito eh.
Mag-ingat ka. Tapos ano, basahin mo yung phone mo after nyan.
Ay.
Ibabad mo sa malamig na tubig para ano. Kasi mamaya masira.
Utok mo kasi sa electric fan.
Oo.
Pag naglalaro ka.
Baka
Kaya
mahuli kang
naglalagyan kasi nag-overheat.
Naiwan ko nga yung ano eh. Yung fan cooler eh.
Pero guys, wag laging ganun na kasi baka gumaya yung iba. Bigyan lang natin siya ng ano. First lang yan. Wala nang next. Yung next time may bayad 1,000 directly sa akin po. Thank you.
Oh. Aray.
Hindi, joke lang.
Hindi na pala maglilib.
Gulo mo
takot
eh.
siya eh, no? Kasi pag nahuli yung tanga mamaya eh, tatawanan natin siya eh. Tapos pagising mo nasa
Hindi, pero
works
ang
ka.
hirap nga nun. Di ba nga yun nag-hotel ako? So,
Ah.
hindi ako makalaro. Ang init talaga. Parang nagliliyab yung kamay ko.
Graphics kasi, bigat kasi ng game.
Nakatutok na ako sa aircon na ang init pa rin talaga. Nagano nga eh, nag-open yung likod ng phone ko, nagbumukas siya. Nasira, natanggal yung mga adhesive.
Talaga ba? Yung battery na yun, hindi.
Hindi, na ano siya. Pag kinamagaan nung lumamig na yung phone ko, pagkatingin ko, nakaangat na siya.
Guys, 1 minute.
Phone mo.
Okay. Move guys, move. Everyone move. 1 minute.
Dami nating ibon, no?
Use A badge. Authoritative badge. May party same ano.
Same drill.
Yeah, same objective. First bullet. Ismina pa isama na lang si Bullet kung wala siya sa Discord Try mo isama. Yun natin Mitchell.
Let's go.
Enter now in battlefield.
Higa.
Sin, nandiyan ka na Sin?
Top lane.
May guys summon follower.
Yun, nakapag-rank 27 yun sa arena.
Ikaw, hindi ko nag-arena. Sayang 200.
Malakas ba to? Malakas ba yung kalaban natin?
Yeah, they are there. Guys, we go middle again may 20 man. And let's just switch to Sin, pagka kunyari nakatapat kayo nung kalaban, anong gusto mo? Mag-switch agad tayo? O gusto mong
Hindi, kayo
i-try
mag-push.
kami babasag?
Okay, pagpupush. Kayo.
Tapos sige. Malakas naman DPS na itong party. Andito si Aizen.
Naku,
Is bullet inside?
maganda yung badge nila guys. Baka matalo tayo nito. Kailangan may ganyan din tayo kung enter.
Napag-aangatan tayo. Bilhin mo yung Disneyland, Kendra.
Hindi, meron
Di
na
bali
yung
nang
Disneyland
hindi.
eh. Yung world.
Meron na ba?
Oo, yung world.
Isang million kasi yan, guys, eh.
Bullet here.
Sa bagay.
Bullet
Bullet
is
inside, bullet inside, bullet
missing.
inside. I'm seeing bullet.
Yeah, but it's not on comms.
Sana all. Sana all seeing
Bullet.
someone.
Mahal kasi, guys, nung ano, nung icon. It's 1M.
It's okay.
I'm gonna use it for clan tech instead. Because I need to increase the guild hall. Then I can increase dormitory, shop, and library after that.
Konsi, diyan ka mag-head sa bottom lane. Sunod ka sa amin agad pagka walang kalaban dyan, ha? Okay, Scott man. Narinig ka ako na ito.
Ayaw na daw niya si Hyzen na lang daw mag-isa mag-push.
Okay, game.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck, good luck.
Luck guys.
Bilis ako lumango ko.
Tower. Okay, let's head bottom. Let's head bottom. May 20 man. Come.
Ayan.
Here bottom.
Pwedeng
Focus on the back lane.
Sorry.
Guys.
Pwede pa stop ng follow, hindi makapag-pick ng target.
Yo, move back. Slowly move back. Kahit while moving back.
Zach, stand up.
Kahit while moving back. Wait to the tower, okay? Okay, kahit while moving back. Okay? Stop moving back. Kill here. Kill these guys.
I'm dying. I'm blind.
Okay.
Guys, my love.
Push guys, push.
Okay. Target natin range.
Where's Consi? Consi, are you there? Not in
Advance
range.
na kayo. Yung mga tank,
This. Push mo ng ano yan, mabilis.
Pupush kami dito sa bottom. Napakarami dito.
Sige lang. Just kill these guys. We can push this. Guys. We need to push. We need to push. Okay, let's go back. Mid tower. They are holding us.
Napupush kami dito.
Yeah, come. Let's go back. No, don't hit the mid tower. Go back. We gonna defend the inner tower, guys. Everyone on the base. Use guild scroll if you like. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Move to the tower. They will go in. Use return scroll. Okay, let's defend here.
Nandito sila lang sa.
Yeah.
Advance.
Basagin yan ah. Let's defend here. Okay. Heal me.
Yeah, hold on. Coloseo. Sige, nabot ang Coloseo.
Okay, it's okay.
Where's my love?
Pasok.
Okay. Just try defending guys, okay?
Do you want me to summon?
No. hit the ano.
Crystal na kami. Crystal
We're
na
trying
kami.
to defend it. Yeah.
Crystal na
We're
kami.
defending, we're defending our crystal.
Yeah.
Naganon ako ng bastion.
Try to kill the one those who enter, okay? Monks, kill the one who enter. Don't fish for kills.
Hold lang kayo. Hold lang kayo.
Yeah, we are holding. We're good here.
Okay. 70% Crystal.
Yeah. Okay. They are rating to, okay? Try to
67%.
reach the back line.
Pinupuro nila ako. Hera, kapitik ng reso.
Careful lang. Careful, Chris.
Okay, ka.
They went back.
Focus.
They're
Crystal
here.
focus.
They're
Crystal.
here.
Crystal focus.
Okay, guys. They are moving out. They are moving out.
Crystal focus. Resu.
Don't
Walang mag...
Guys, go in. May 20 man. Go in.
Okay na yan, no?
Gil, Kendra.
Don't TP. Don't TP, Resu. Hindi. Don't TP.
We can wipe them. Okay. Move. Let's move.
They're moving.
We're
Push
pushed
natin
back.
dito para maka...
We push bottom tower.
We're pushed back.
Yeah. Regroup in the middle scene. Kayo.
Middle.
Babasagin namin tong mid. Yung bottom, sorry. Bottom. Break bottom. We're good, guys. We're good. Like,
Doppel.
regroup in the middle, guys. Breaking kami ng bottom,
To. Salubong.
Labanan natin, sabay-sabay
Right
tayo.
side sila.
Gusto niyo?
Bottom from bottom.
Yeah, pwede kayo tumakbo sa amin dito sa bottom. Scene. Kung gusto mo. Yo guys, everyone, after breaking, let's go to the mid. Go mid.
Go mid.
Come. They're pushing us in the bottom, okay? They're pushing us. I-plank nyo dyan. Push nyo dyan sa mid. Pareso ako, Kendra. Sige, pwede nyo likuran to, since pwede nyo likuran to. Bottom. Sige, wala silang
Doppel.
makukuha.
Gusto niyo mag-doppel?
No, not right now.
Sayang yung buff, pero sige.
Not right now.
Likod na kami, ah. Gitna na sila.
Flank in.
Gitna na sila.
Resume.
Reso yun. Oh, pinatay din ako.
Push
Hera,
nyo.
pitik na.
I-push nyo.
Kami, dadaan kami na
Push
kapag
nyo.
Patay ako ha.
Patay kaming mga pare ah.
Sige lang. Pinupush sila doon. Tapangan nyo pa. I-push nyo. Yo, if you died in my party, go back.
Resu.
Bottom. Head bottom.
Naubos sila sa gitna, naubos na.
Yeah. Let's head bottom. Careful.
Balik sila sa bottom ha.
This is a full surge. Pwede kayo mag-top sin.
Saan mo
Tin
yan?
Hindi, wag niyo sandwichin. Tap kayo. Dumiretso kayo ng
Patay na to,
Dumiretso
patay
kayo
na
ng
to.
crystal. Diretso kayo ng
Crystal
crystal.
lang kami.
Crystal dyan ako. Pwede.
Yo,
Okay.
everyone in my party, go to base. Base. We defend in base.
Huwag mo pumalag dyan.
Go back. We defend in base. Okay? We defend in base. Yo, Mox, do your job, ah. Kill them one by one.
Yung mga low HP oh.
Yeah. They're hitting crystal. You should be hitting crystal right now, Sin.
Yes.
Guys, tapangan natin. Come. Be brave.
Hold strong.
Puta, nagbabag yung ano ko.
Be brave.
Paano pa rin patanggal nung follow? Di ako makapag-skill eh.
Guys, we can wipe this, guys. We can wipe this.
Nakakancel na.
Come, be aggressive.
Nakakancel na yung palo, Brad.
Thank you.
Be aggressive. We can wipe them.
Resu.
We can wipe them.
Lang heal.
Resu, heal.
Oh my God.
Walang resu. Plata. Balik na lang, balik na lang.
Yeah, but yeah, if you go back, let's help us clean wipe them. Okay?
O, tara
Here
na.
in base.
Pala sa'yo ah.
Tangina,
Guys,
wag
guys,
yung
push, push,
auto-attack.
push. Let's push them. Let's push them.
Reso lang
Push,
sana,
push.
reso.
Push, guys. Push, 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 push.
Walang heal, walang
I
heal.
don't care if you die, just push. I don't care if you die, just push, just push. Okay. Okay, guys.
Nagbabak na sila.
Sin, try to defend top with your party. We will try to backdoor. Okay, guys. Listen, listen. Kaya mo mag-dep sin sa top? Didiretso yun namin tong bottom. Dire-diretso dun sa, sa throne.
Sige, sige, sige.
Aha. Guys, if you are in sin party, do not come with me. We are too many here. Go with Sinclair. Go to the second tower. Go to the second tower. Yo, don't hit the tower, okay? Don't hit the tower. We will go straight to the ano. Everybody. Go straight to that ancient. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Konti lang
Yeah.
kami dito.
Come. Go straight to the ancient. Straight to the ancient. Yeah. Okay, nice. We're eating crystal right now, okay? Okay, eat crystal. Everybody, go in. Ritban, go in. Level me. We're eating crystal, ah. Are you okay there, Sin?
Hindi. Nagpo-push sila. Wala kami support.
Sige, okay lang. Sabihan mo ako pagka nasa ano na sila.
Proceed lang.
Nasa third tower.
Proceed lang. Na-hold namin.
Guys, may 20 man, get ready to return scroll, okay? Return scroll.
Sige, go
Ready lang,
lang.
ready lang. Just get ready.
May trapper tayo. Sige lang.
Na-hold pa.
Na-hold pa. Pero third tower na sila. Okay,
Third tower
go.
na sila.
Sige lang.
Okay. It's okay.
Kapit yung crystal, oh.
Yeah.
Mas mabilis yung crystal natin.
50% to.
Okay. Return scroll, guys. Return scroll. Use the return scroll. Okay. Then head mid lane. Okay.
Palag na yan, pre. Labang tayo.
Hindi, nagpa-return na ako. Yo, guys, return scroll. If you don't have return scroll, just die. Fuck.
It's okay. Get lang natin. Mag-continue sila dyan.
Mababasag na to.
Crystal sila.
Sige,
Wala
mag-crystal
ako,
kayo kung wala kayong return scroll.
Crystal ko.
Kung na ako, pakila lang ako dito.
Yo, focus on the backline, guys. Focus on the backline. Look at the backline, no? The
Dami,
stragglers.
Crystal lang kayo. 40 lang.
Pag-unti na to, naubos na.
Ubus na.
Ubus na.
Crystal.
Sige lang. Okay pa.
No, it's okay.
Nag-def na silang lahat sa base na.
Okay, let's go mid, guys. Let's go mid.
Para-repair.
Go mid. Okay.
Reso lang sa akin.
Pwede kayong dumiretso yung crystal gusto nyo.
Okay.
Pwede.
Din.
Pwede.
Yo, may 20 man. Don't get too aggressive, okay?
Okay.
Don't be aggressive.
Back down.
Baldabog, let's go, Baldabog.
Dito tayo.
Baldabog.
Hindi tayo. Hindi ako magsasama na. Makinig ko dito tayo.
Okay.
We have
Hit
the
tower.
We have the crystal na.
Guys, hindi kayo
Careful,
nakikinig ata kay Sinclair, ah.
Abot ko na yung tower, ah.
Hindi kayo nakikinig kay Sinclair, yung mga nasa mid. Yo, Sinclair. Tawid na guys. Only the 21 party will remain here in mid.
Guys, binabackdoor crystal natin. May separate team sila.
Ay,
Yeah,
balik ako.
if you are late in there, hirap maging dish ah. If you are late, tawag dito. Defender crystal. There's like four in our crystal, four guys. Okay, guys, push this guys. Swipe these guys.
Go Andre, go Andre, go Andre.
Gusto niyan,
Okay,
Trey, yan.
careful again.
Careful.
Ano, assassin team. Backdoor ulit tayo. Backdoor ulit tayo.
Guys, we need eyes on our bot lane in case.
Abot na namin yung tower, ah.
Sige,
Team
sige.
1, Team 1,
Tama.
Team 2. Team 1, Team 2 ng party ko. Backdoor.
On the way, on the way.
Tapos yung the rest, depende.
We have resistance sa ano, top. Hindi ako naunang bibira.
Devo me, Ritman. Devo me.
Pareso. Doki, where are you, Doki? There you go.
Saan yung mga assassin? Ito assassin o recto.
Guys, we need a few people sa base natin.
Nagre-recta na kami sa tower. Assassin,
like,
nagre-recta kami.
Okay. Balik
Okay.
ako, balik ako base.
Wrong way.
Assassin, nandito.
Yeah, 2-man team, 4-man team.
Assassin, nakarekta dito.
Push yung mid, nagbabak sila.
Ano next?
Nagbabak
Yeah.
sila sa mid.
Nagbaback sila.
Guys,
Sige.
get this guys. Be aggressive.
Ouch.
Okay.
Be aggressive.
Doki.
Aggressive lang kayo dyan.
Okay.
Bot is there.
Stop in mid. They are holding. Okay. Just hit the tower. It's okay. They cannot go on offense, guys. Like, we are doing a good job.
Sorry, I died too
They
many.
can do offense.
Lapit. Di abot, lapit tayo.
Yeah, wait. Okay. They're pushing, ah.
We only have ano.
Slowly guide them, slowly. Just guide them, then go back.
Nasa loob ako. Pasok kayo.
Wait. Naka ano sila, nakabara. Hindi kayo makadaan.
Sige. Dep yung iba. May mga babak doon.
Need a few eyes sa base natin.
Wanna rise my love?
Up, reso.
Oh, I died.
Oh, patay tayong dalawa. Yeah, reso guys, reso.
Grabe na.
Okay, go back. My mid team, go back. Mid tower. Go back ka na, Kendra.
Okay.
Mid tayo sa mid tower.
Malinis na yung top.
Sige,
Ah.
malinis yung top ah. Pinupush kami.
Ano si Rickon sa...
Okay. Hold the tower. Let's defend the tower.
Saan tayo? Mid or base?
Yeah, mid. We are in.
Party ko top.
Need eyes on bot.
Devo,
Hold it at them.
Ritban, Devo. Kolo sa'yo.
Need eyes on our base now.
Ritban, Devo mo ko. Wala akong Devo.
Hera, are you there? Okay.
Reso us.
Raise my love.
That's my love. Wala, ayaw.
Hindi, okay. I'm alive.
Okay. Okay, let's slowly hit these guys.
Kasi ang bahay ni Rickon.
Okay ba tower natin?
Stand up.
Huwag ka masyadong malapit, Kenda.
Doki Reso.
Masyado ka malapit.
Ay ko, na-hold ako dito. Tako ko.
Dapat ako ng reso mo. Ubus sa oras na lang siguro. Hindi natin mag-push eh.
Yeah.
Patay ako.
It's okay.
Patay ka, Dok. Nasaan ka, Dok?
Okay, guys. Slowly move back while kiting. Slowly move back. Okay. Slowly move back. Heal me. Reso. Red band, Debo Debo, red band.
Sashimi.
Dito,
No.
sacrifice.
Sashimi, ano. Rekta tayo. Dali. Rekta. Ay, hindi. May resistance sa dalawa. Sige, papalagan natin sashimi.
Okay, there's...
Careful bot lane.
Careful bot lane.
Need eyes on our crystal now. Bot lane and top lane.
Yeah, just defend the bot lane. Dibas. Yo, my 20 man, come here. We can push them. Be aggressive, guys. Guys, be aggressive. Come mid. Come middle. Be aggressive. They're wiping.
Push middle.
Yeah.
Guys, they're in bot lane now. They're pushing crystal. 20-man team.
Okay. Let's go back. Head home.
Crystal
They're
sila.
wiping the middle. Yeah.
Oh, they're pushing
We're
crystal.
coming. Okay, guys. Be aggressive. The backline first. See the backline? Drop AOs there.
Ano na pala?
They're wipe.
Assassin.
Protect.
Go back
Ba-
to mid.
Backdoor
Pwede man.
Crystal Assassin. Assassin backdoor Crystal. Mag-hide kayo.
20 man mid. I need heals and Devo. Come. Push, guys. Push these guys. This is
Push
not yet
middle.
regroup. They are not yet regroup. Push.
Slowly tricking in mid now.
Yeah. Okay.
Backdoor top. Backdoor top.
Okay.
Backdoor
Careful
Crystal.
now. Careful. Go back door, Sin.
Hindi makapag-mount. Hayop. Yan. We're on our way.
So listen. If you are a wizard, bomb the right side of their zerg, okay?
Stronghold.
Right side.
Stronghold. Babasagin namin to.
Stronghold.
Need eyes on our top lane now.
Okay,
Guys,
guys?
50 seconds.
Stronghold.
Oh shit.
Yep, they're slowly tricking in our top lane.
Yeah, it's okay.
Guys, 40 seconds left.
Stronghold.
Guys-
Stronghold. Reso. Resolak.
Close
It's okay. Reso.
Raise my love.
Go, Kepler.
Kaya
Go,
yata ako.
Kepler.
Patay nasa base.
Sira na
Nice.
yung...
Nice heal. Nice heal.
Abot
Nice heal.
Bukasan pa
Nice
natin
heal.
mid bago tayo mag-base. Bukasan
Guys,
pa natin
16
tong mid.
seconds na lang. 16 seconds
Top
na lang.
lane clear.
We're ready.
Mid na lang,
Yeah.
mid.
Dive
Mid na lang lahat.
mid. Go full monkey, guys.
Pasok.
Full monkey. Monkey. Go.
Assassin.
Nice.
Nice.
one.
Nice.
Uy,
Good job.
asawa ni
Secured.
Cube.
Close.
Lupit
Nice
ng
one.
comms natin ngayon. Napakalaking improvement.
Guys, secured. Congratulations. We're now in finals. It's either first place or second place. Let's do our best for our first place on Thursday.
Total kills ba? Marami sa...
Let's see the attendance for today.